and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Put my hands on the plate, I'm back in my truck, cash in one ticket. But I don't pay the visit, I wanna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just
Excited to hear from you.
Nakikita ko sa feed ko sa Instagram, the people who lined up early in the morning.
Yes.
Thank you so much for actually coming over and braving the traffic, for staying with me this afternoon for a couple of hours for the book signing and some questions. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you, Miss Judy Ann. Before we start our book signing, nag-request po sila
Yes
na kung pwede raw, masagot mo lang ang ilang mga tanong.
But
Kasi
of course,
kanina
oo
pa
naman.
sila, nagpa-practice sila kanina pa. At merong mga fans kayo na gustong magtanong. So tatawagin ko si Tita dito sa front row. Tita, can we give Tita the mic? Meron lang siyang isang tanong, kilala nyo na siya.
Ako, hindi ko po kilala yan. Hindi ko yan nakikita at all.
Special request nila magtatanong po. Ayan. Sige, please bigay niyo yung pangalan niyo para makilala ng iba. Introduce yourself po.
Sige, tita, kaya mo yun.
Pinapractice niya kanina pa eh.
Josie de los Reyes from Team Juda.
Okay. Jocelyn, Tita Josie. Sige, Tita. Kanina pa niya pinapractice yan.
Hindi ako sinasabihan siyang tita.
Ah? O sige, Tita. Okay.
I'm just walking around wearing my duster and everything.
Oo.
Ngayon, parang ibang naguguluhan ako. Bigla nandito
At ang
kayong
daming
lahat.
tao.
At may nagpunta pa rin. Kasi
Oo.
normally, parang since normal na nila ako nakikita dito, wala na sila pakialam. Thank you so much for coming over, for buying the book, and sa lahat po na nagtanong, maraming salamat. Dahil it shows that you're really interested in all the recipes that's included in the book. It's inspiring na nakakataba ng puso kasi all the efforts na nilagay namin sa libro, maraming nagbe-benefit. And I see all your tags. Please, sa lahat na nag-try na at magta-try pa, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. #Julian's Kitchen. If you have any more questions about any of the recipes, please feel free to ask me through Instagram. I'd be more than willing to help you out with the recipes. I am not a nutritionist. I am not a professional chef. But what I know is I do know how to cook.
Yes.
And I know what I have in my cookbook.
Yes.
And if you have other more suggestions that you tried already dyan sa mga recipes ko, feel free to doodle around and isasuggest pa natin sa mga iba pang nag-avail ng
Right,
cookbook.
right.
Masarap at masaya na pinaglalaroan natin yung recipes natin.
Oo.
Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you. So, okay.